Hello everybody, season 332 of the ukulele. This is B. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir. I have tried in my way to be free. Like a worm on a hook, like a night for some old-fashioned book. I have saved all my ribbons for thee. Oh, and if I've been unkind, I just hope you can just let it go by. Oh, and if I've been untrue, well, I hope you know it was never to you. Like a babe, be stillborn, like a beast with his horn. I have torn everyone who reached out for me. And I swear by this song and by all that I've done wrong, I will make it all up to thee. I saw a beggar leaning on his wooden crutch, and he said to me, "You must not ask for so much. And a pretty woman leaning in her darkened door, and she cried to me, hey, hey, why not ask for more? Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir. I have tried in my way to be free.